Hi y'all. I have for you guys today an Aldi and a Walmart haul. Starting from the right, which is the Aldi side, I got some sugar, some whipped cream cheese spread, some pumpkin spice cream cheese spread. I think it was $1 something or $2, $2.19 or something like that. I don't know. But then I'm gonna be making a crock pot roast. So I got this really big chuck for like $18.24. It's an Angus chuck, black Angus beef. How many pounds is this thing? I don't know. It looks like 2.8. So it was like $6.49 a pound, which isn't so bad. I got some mandarins. These was like a little over $3 for a 3-pound bag. And I got some more, let me see, 75% lean, a bag of beef patties. They're frozen and uncooked. You just gotta grill them or put them in the oven or air fryer, or whatever you're gonna do. The turkey lunch meat is a little over, for a pound, it's a little over $4. And then we have this right here, the buffalo style chicken wings. This is around the same amount, like $7, $8. These are really good though. And then these right here, everybody's talking about these, the oven roasted chicken wings. And I think Tyson even came out with some oven roasted chicken wings too. And I got some more sliced cheese. It's like $1 something, or $1 and some change. It's 16 slices of the American sliced cheese. I normally don't cook with celery, but I got some anyway just to put in the crock pot with the roast. And then I got these Baker's Treat cupcakes. They're chocolate cupcakes filled with like cream filling. My son likes those. And then the shells and cheese are like $1.20 something or 30 something. My daughter loves those, so I got those for her. Those are the creamy deluxe ones. It's not the powdery stuff. So it's like a cream sauce that comes in a silver pouch. I don't know about everywhere else, but the eggs there were like for a little over $3 for a dozen. Like $3.10 or something like that at Aldi's. I don't know about everywhere else. Now, the chicken nuggets that you normally see in the red bag, they're kind of flat and look like they're just breaded. These are the crispy chicken nuggets. These are kind of new, but they cost a little more. Instead of them like $5, these are like a little, like $2 more, like $7. So I hope my daughter likes them because she loves chicken nuggets. She's a chicken nugget fool. And then for the burgers, I got some burger buns. And then I got another loaf of bread there because I think we're almost out. And then the lemon juice, I got some more of that because they're still on their, what is it, the lemonade phase from the summertime. They still can't kick it. They want some more lemonade. And last time I got the Memphis barbecue one, and that Memphis barbecue Berman's brand is really good. It's so authentic and it tastes like it came from like a barbecue pit on the side of the road or something. You know, in the South. Now this one is Texas. This is the Texas one. So I want to try this one, see how it goes. Now from Walmart, I got for my kids' rooms, I got them some more golden pumpkin spice from Glade. This stuff is really good. I normally get like the wildflower oils from Bath and Body Works, but those wildflower oils are so sometimey, you know. But you can always count on like Glade, Airwick, or like Febreze or something. The scented oils. This is so stinking good. It smells so good. You can smell everything, all the spices and everything. It's nice and sweet and gourmand. And I got another pack of butter. This is 4 sticks. Some grits, because I'm gonna make me some corned beef and grits. It's it has onions, tomato paste, bell pepper, a little celery, fresh thyme, some Scotch bonnet peppers chopped up really small, It's a Bahamian thing. It really is. And I eat it with some grits. Sometimes they eat it with rice. And then I got one potato. I'm not going to put too much potato in the roast, the pot roast, because I eat mine with mashed potato. Some people in the household, they eat theirs with rice. Some eat it with the extra wide egg noodles. So there's the corned beef for the corned beef and grits. Green onion. I use that for just about every meat I cook, so that's going to be going in the crock pot too. And some carrots. I think the green onion was like 80 something cents. The carrots were like $1.09 or something like that. And the thyme is all upside downward. A little over $1. Wasn't that much. $1.79 maybe. So the beefy onion from the Lipton Recipe Secrets, that's going in there. The beef broth is going in there, and that's in the pot roast, that is. So this one, Recipe Secrets, beefy onion, Lipton, that's going in the pot roast. Beef broth, that's for the pot roast. The French onion soup, that's for the pot roast. And you see this right here? This is called Perfectly Pumpkin. It's from Pillsbury. This thing is hard to get. It sells out a lot. It's selling out all over at a lot of the Walmarts, and I finally found the Walmart that had it. This is selling out. Oh my goodness. I might just put my own little spin on it, like maybe a little extra vanilla, a little something extra, maybe some pumpkin puree. I don't know. And then to go with it is the cream cheese, the Pillsbury cream cheese icing. And I got some more Dawn dish liquid, some Persil laundry detergent, and Tense Fresh. This is the one I trust to get your clothes clean. It's either that one or Tide. Or Whisk. Whistle's another good one. Mashed potatoes are for me. I'm the only one that's eating mashed potatoes with the roast. Did I show you this pumpkin spice coffee from Aldi's? I don't even think so. Anyway, but I picked this up from Aldi's, and they also had like a pecan caramel. You know, Walmart has all that stuff too. But that also seemed like an apple cinnamon caramel pumpkin. No, apple cinnamon caramel coffee too. I mean, Aldi's got some stuff, man. They got some really, really good stuff. So this is my coffee creamer. I picked this pumpkin spice instead of I think it's the International Foods, the other brand, because this one tastes more authentic. It tastes like it actually has pumpkin in there and not just pumpkin spice. Lastly, I got like these 3 juices here, berry, berry, berry. They usually have fruit punch, tropical punch, and just berry punch for right now, and I think a pink or strawberry lemonade one. These are very much, how can I say, very less expensive than the Minute Maid ones, but the Minute Maid ones have like the peach and the mango. Those are really, really good. Those are always sold out anyway. But this one costs like $1 something, you know, compared to the Minute Maid. So I got 3 of these. These go really fast though, because people are not sleeping on these. They say they taste better too. I don't know. But I just got them because, you know, they cost less, okay? And things are getting crazy right now. So until next time, thanks for watching.